to make a tin slag box by yourself. Let's take a look.
First, prepare a paper core. The leftover tube from a roll of adhesive tape. Cut a circle out of cardboard as the base. Secure the base to one end of the core. Use glue or tape to attach it. Wrap the joint with tape. Bottom is firm and flat. Wrap the top of the box with heat-resistant tape. In order to prevent the high temperature of the soldering iron from damaging the box. Done! Let's see how to use it.